Planning a trip to Poland? You've come to the right place. In this video, we will provide you with a comprehensive guide to the essential Polish phrases that every tourist should know. We'll cover key greetings, practical questions for getting around, and useful phrases for dining out. Our goal is to equip you with the fundamental linguistic tools that will help you navigate your journey with confidence and make your experience in Poland more enjoyable. This narration is designed to be a 15-minute resource, giving you ample time to listen and practice. Let's begin. Our first section is dedicated to the bedrock of all communication, greetings and basic courtesies. These aren't just polite words. They are your first step in showing respect and the willingness to engage with the local culture. When you begin your day, whether you are stepping out of your hotel or grabbing a morning coffee at a local shop, the phrase "Dzień dobry" is the perfect way to greet people. It's a versatile phrase that serves as both good morning and good day, and you can use it throughout the daylight hours. As the sun begins to set and the evening approaches, you'll want to switch to dobry wieczór, which means good evening. This is appropriate for meeting people for a late dinner, going out for a drink, or just saying hello to someone on the street in the evening. When it's time to say goodbye, the standard phrase to use is "do widzenia." For more casual and friendly interactions, especially with younger people or in a relaxed setting like a cafe or a park, there is an all-purpose word that means both hi and bye, cześć. It's informal, widely used, and a great way to show a more relaxed attitude. Beyond greetings, mastering the phrases proszę and dziękuję is absolutely crucial. Proszę is a true multi-tool. It can mean please when you're asking for something, such as proszę kawę for coffee, please. It also means you're welcome in response to thank you, and can even mean here you are when you're handing something over, like a menu or a ticket. The context will always make its meaning clear. And of course, expressing gratitude with dziękuję is universally appreciated and should be used often. Lastly, for those little moments where you might accidentally bump into someone or need to politely get someone's attention in a crowded place, przepraszam is your go-to phrase. It covers both excuse me and I'm sorry. A more detailed example of its use would be przepraszam, gdzie jest toaleta, which means excuse me, where is the toilet? These foundational phrases will set the stage for all your interactions, making them smoother and more respectful. Let's now address the practical side of travel, asking for help and getting directions. These phrases are vital for navigating your journey without confusion. A major concern for many travelers is the language barrier itself. To get a sense of whether you can communicate in your native language, you can ask "Mówi pan pani po angielsku?" This translates to "Do you speak English?" You use pan when addressing a man and pani when addressing a woman. It is a respectful and polite way to inquire about their language abilities. If they respond with "nie," it's helpful to know how to say "nie rozumiem," which means "I don't understand." This simple phrase will help you communicate your confusion clearly and gives the person a chance to try explaining in a different way or using gestures. In a more urgent or serious situation, knowing how to call for pomocy or help is a crucial safety phrase, although we hope you won't need it. When you're trying to find a specific place, the phrase "gdzie jest" is indispensable. You simply add the name of the place you're looking for. For example, you can ask "gdzie jest dworzec" for the train station, "gdzie jest rynek" for the main market square, or "gdzie jest muzeum" for the museum. The names of these places will be in your guidebook or on a map, and this structure will allow you to get directions to countless locations. Another useful phrase for getting around is "jak dojść do," which means how do I get to, for example, "jak dojść do Starego Miasta," or how do I get to the Old Town? These questions, along with the names of the places, will be your primary tools for finding your way. When you're out shopping, a simple but powerful question is "ile to kosztuje?" which means how much does this cost? This will empower you to make informed purchases without relying on non-verbal communication. Finally, when you're making a purchase, you might be asked to pay with a credit card, which is karta płatnicza, or in cash, which is gotówka. You can use these terms to specify your preferred payment method. These phrases are your toolkit for managing the practicalities of travel, ensuring your journey is as smooth as possible. Now let's turn our attention to one of the most delightful aspects of any trip: dining. Experiencing the local cuisine is a highlight of traveling, and Poland offers a rich array of delicious options. To make your dining experiences seamless and enjoyable, a few key phrases will be your best friends. When you've finished a wonderful meal and are ready to pay, a polite "Proszę rachunek" will get you the check. It's a direct and simple way to signal that you are finished without needing to get the waiter's attention with gestures. Another useful phrase when you are ready to order is "poproszę," which means "I'd like." For example, "Poproszę wodę," for "I'd like water," or "Poproszę kawę," for "I'd like coffee." When ordering quantities, knowing a few numbers can be incredibly helpful. Even just knowing jeden, dwie, and trzej for 1, 2, and 3 can be surprisingly useful in various situations. For example, you might say "Dwa piwa, proszę," for 2 beers, please. When the food is served, one of the most heartwarming phrases you'll hear and can use yourself is "smacznego." It's the Polish equivalent of "bon appetit," and is often said to fellow diners before they begin their meal. It's a simple gesture that shows warmth and appreciation for the food. If you're asked if you enjoyed your meal, you can simply say "było pyszne," which means "it was delicious." These phrases will not only ensure you get exactly what you want, but also add a layer of authentic connection to your dining adventures. So, as you can see, learning even a handful of these phrases isn't just about functionality, it's about enriching your entire travel experience. Making the effort to speak a few words of Polish is often met with genuine warmth and appreciation. It's a way of showing that you respect the local culture and are interested in more than just the main tourist attractions. These small linguistic gestures can transform a simple visit into a series of meaningful encounters. Whether it's the smile you receive from a vendor at a market or the extra kindness a restaurant owner shows you because you made the effort. You don't need to be fluent. Just the act of trying will create connections and break down barriers. As you pack your bags for your adventure, consider these phrases a vital part of your preparation. Practice them, embrace them, and let them be your key to unlocking an even more incredible experience. The kindness and openness you receive in return will be one of the most beautiful memories you bring home. Thank you for watching our video guide to essential Polish phrases for tourists. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below with which phrase you're most excited to use. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our future travel guides. Safe travels, and we'll see you in the next video.